when I talk about breathing, I'd like you to exaggerate your breathing. And the reason being is I want you to pump in more oxygen into your body and push out all the toxins out of your body. So I'm exaggerating this breathing and I'm trying to focus on that area on your face and therefore exaggerating it. So I'm trying to pump in as much of oxygen as I can through my breathing. This will make sure that your areas of your face are more oxygenated and that there's more circulation of blood. And therefore, we'll be trying to tone that area and it'll be more effective. You'll see results faster, you'll see that area feeling more plumped up, more oxygenated and more vibrant. And therefore, when I ask you to breathe, I would like you to look up pranayamic breathing and breathe really deeply. Focus on that area and you will see a difference.